Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy Chimoli and I'll be showing how to make these beaded table mats. You can extend their size if you want, but for today I'm going to show you this particular size. So all we'll need is some of these materials. Like this one is a fish line. It is around 0.8 millimeters. So you're going to need this fish line, then other materials like scissors. Yes, we are good to go. Here is my fish line. You can take any size. If on the way maybe it is short, you can always add another one. So we're going to start with this center. So you're going to start with these 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. So that is 1, 2, then 3. Then in the third one, we're going to pass this other fish line. Then to make sure that the fish lines balance, you hold them at this edge, then you pull now. You continue pulling until you reach the end. So here we are, we have 3 beads. So this is like this. So like this. Then now we are going to add two more. We started with 3, now we are using 2. So 1, then 2. Then in the second one, we pass this fish line. Then we pull. So this is how it looks so far. Like this. Again, we take 2 more beads. We pass through this one, the one on the left, the fish line on the left, then we pass the other fish line on the right through the first one, this second bead. Then we pull. So this is how it looks so far. We continue by taking 2 more. 1 and 2. Then we pass the other fish line. Like this. Then we pull. Here is how it looks so far again. So take 2 more again and let us meet at this point. So here we are. This is how it looks so far. We will only need 1 more bead. So here we will pass this fish line in this other bead like this. Then we pull. Then now we are just we need just 1 more bead. So we pass this bead here. Then we continue. We pass the other bead again, just against this other. We pass this fish line against this other fish line. Then after we pass through, we pull them so that we can complete that one cycle. So here it is so far. So here we are. We're going to go around. Like now here, this is the center one. Then the other beads go around the center pattern of the center flower, whichever. So we are going to put 2 beads, insert 2 beads in this left fish line. So this is the first bead and the second bead. Then in the second bead we pass the other fish line on the right. Then we pull. So this is how it looks so far. We insert 2 more beads again. 1 and 2. Then we take the fish line on the left, then we pass through this second bead in the opposite direction. Then we pull. So this is how it looks so far. So like this. we're going to pass the next 2 beads again. So we insert 2 more beads on the left fish line, the fish line on the left hand. So this is 1, then the second one, then 2. Then we pass this other fish line again. Then we pull. So this is how it looks so far. At this point, before we are going to, we only need 1 bead to finish that cycle. So we are going to pass through this, to pass this fish line, the left fish line, the fish line on the left hand, in this bead here. So after we pass it through this bead, we pull. Then on the right fish line, we insert another bead, just 1. Then we insert this one again. Then we pull. So we are done with that cycle. So we were going around this, the original pattern, this one. So we are going to go around this one. So let's continue. 2 beads. So as you can see, we are here. We have arrived at this point, like this. So we are remaining with this round, this one, and the other one. Meaning you can even leave your table mat at this point because it's still a shape. But originally I wanted to show you this shape. It has 5 sides, 5-sided, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. But this one is 3-sided, 1, 2, and 3. You can choose to stop at this point, but I will continue. As for me, I will continue until we arrive at 5 sides. As you can see, one of the fish line has reached the end. It has shortened. So what we do, you just take this one, you keep inserting in the next bead so that you can just leave it at least tight so that it's not loose. Again, you can now insert in the next one to make sure that it then we can just join another fish line. So you just leave this one. When you're done, you can still just chop it off. You insert the new fish line, then you continue now from there. So this is the end, but we still have to make the table mat strong by passing this fish line severally in the other beads. We've reached the end of our video. These are some of the mats that I made. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share this video. Thank you. Bye.